In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a microphone that's not working on Windows 11. If you've been struggling with your microphone and are unsure why it's not picking up your voice, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through some simple yet effective steps to get your microphone back in working order. Let's start by verifying the correct input device. Head over to the settings on your Windows 11 device. Once you're there, click on System and then navigate to Sound. This section is crucial as it manages all your sound settings for the device. Within the sound settings, look for the Input section. Here, you'll see a list of microphones available on your system. Make sure the microphone you intend to use is selected from this list. If by chance you have multiple microphones connected, selecting the wrong one might be the reason you're facing issues. Now, once you've selected the correct microphone, you'll want to speak into it. Keep your eye on the input volume indicator, which should be located nearby. This visual bar helps you ensure your microphone is picking up sound. Simply speak aloud and watch the bar. If it moves as you speak, congratulations, Windows is detecting your voice. If it's not moving, don't worry. We have more troubleshooting ahead. Next, let's check the microphone privacy settings. This is another common area that could be causing the issue if it's not configured properly. Go back to Settings and look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. Once there, find the subsection for Microphone. This is where you manage what can access your microphone on your device. First, make sure the option for microphone access is turned on. This allows Windows and apps to use the microphone. Also, turn on the Let Apps Access Your Microphone option. This allows different applications to have permission to use your microphone, which is vital for apps like Teams, Zoom, or Discord. Speaking of which, ensure any specific application you are trying to use has explicit permission to access the microphone. Sometimes, apps are set to deny access by default, inadvertently restricting audio capture. By carefully following these steps and checking these settings, you should be well on your way to resolving issues with your microphone on Windows 11. It's often small tweaks in these settings that lead to significant improvements in functionality. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your microphone issues are now a thing of the past. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.